What's up, traders? This is Chris, back with another video. Weekly options for income recap. Gonna go over last week's plays and see how they did. But first, I've got to say I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Professional traders protect their capital and they have precise entry and exit strategies. So with that said, let's get into it. All right, let's take a look at AMC. They had earnings on 8/9 after hours. I had previously said it was pre-market, but later found out that it was after hours, which made it for a good run because it got as high as 35.38 prior to earnings. Our entry was 33.58, so that was about a $1.80. So we could have got at least $1 move on that. Let's see. Here during pre-market was when not pre-market but after hours earnings was called and it shot up, then it sold off, consolidated, shot up again, got as high as 38.23, then it sold off again, little spike in pre-market, but then as soon as market opened it sold off and then continued downward all day and got as low as 31.44. So if you got in before earnings, you were able to catch a little bit of the run up because here was our line. You would have got there. I don't advise holding through earnings because we would have never known this to happen, but you could have played this movement down as soon as you saw these big candles and then the smooth transition down. You could have played puts on that and made money both ways. Well, that's the recap on AMC. On to the next one. Alright, let's take a look at Costco. The reason why I liked Costco is because they had an inside candle heading into the new week. It continued to trade sideways for the first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, but then on Wednesday, the 11th, gave us confirmation. Our entry price was $4.43. It shot up to as high as $4.48 on Wednesday and then pulled back. Pretty much gave it all back. But then retested. After the retest and showed support, it then began to rise for the rest of the week. And that's the recap on Costco. On to the next. Alright, let's take a look at Target. Reason why I like Target was because it had 3 inside candles going into the new week, and then on Monday it gave us another inside candle before popping on Tuesday. Our entry price was $262.20. It went as high as $265.75, giving us about a 3.5 point move. This is one of the better plays. I like it. On to the next. Alright, let's look at the last one, which was not the best one depending on how you looked at it. I was looking for the gap fill on pins, and as you can see it went the opposite direction. So my upside bias did not pan out, but I did have 2 confirmations, and the confirmation 58.95 to the downside was called upon and it dropped, and it got as low as let's see, on the 9th, it dropped below on the 9th, went even lower on the 10th, and it went as low as 56.92. So we got 56.92 with our confirmation at being 58.95. and then it dropped lower to 56.92, and then it went even as low as 55.67 the next day before climbing back up slightly. So if you took it to the downside, you were a winner. I'm still expecting that gap fill, so I got this on my watch list. I'm still watching it. But until then, see you in the next video.